Lowe's and I'm actually going to use my truck as a truck. There's the fence wood. I'm going to use the strap to strap it in, so see how this goes. All right, so here we go. I got all the lumber ready to go. Help build the fence. I'm going to slide this extra protection out. There we go. There's the landing spot, and then I'll strap it down once I've got this loaded. One thing I'm going to do too is make sure I have these up, because if you're stacking wood, it's going to be harder to get to it. So lift those up. And these are 6 feet long, so you can see this is a 7 foot all in. So that's working out well. These are the 8 foot 2x4s. You can see how those do stick out. That's where that flag comes in. All right, let's ratchet it up now. One thing too to let you know is when you're in a parking lot, don't leave that open. Because the other day I was parking over there and I'm like, somebody, if they don't see it, they could just shear that straight off if they're parked on the opposite side of you. Okay, that worked really well. These are great ratchets. Yeah, that's not gonna go anywhere. Got the flag, got it strapped around there, and then one across here, which is applying some tension. So we should be good. We're not gonna be going on the freeway. No freeway mileage, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm inside. Let's go to the cameras. This is where it's just so nice, all this functionality. So we'll do for over the bed. There we go. So now I can watch the load while I'm driving, and it should be good to get out of here. And yeah, next heading home. And we stopped at the grocery store while we have the wood in there, and everything's gonna fit. It's just so nice and convenient. I mean, it was this or a Lamborghini, I just don't know. But so far, I think this is winning. Okay, so when the truck bed is down, let me go to that view. Okay, here we go. No, maybe I had it already. Okay, there. When the truck bed is down, you'll see the graphic there, and it gives you a warning. Tailgate open. I don't know why that says off, like it's turning off. I guess your ability to use the cruise control or something. I don't know. We'll have to find out. So everything's working so far the way I was hoping. Is you can see the flag flying, so I'm hopefully compliant. And everything else seems to be stable. I'm not going crazy. I'm doing 52, 55-ish on this road. We're just gonna go chill on the way home. We arrived perfectly. There were no issues or incidents. You could see though, this piece kind of got out from under, so I guess it could have slid out. So that part I did find a bit interesting, is where these hooks are, and maybe I just need to learn how to actually strap things down. That could be it too. But I find these a little high. If they were lower, it would be easier to really kind of push the load down. So maybe I should have stacked it differently. In any event, first time, long time. But yeah, that's it. So maybe that's something for me to work on, because yeah, clearly strange. In my head when I did that, I thought it was better. Okay, well that's the end result. No accidents, all good. Oh, and then to remove these, so easy. First you wanna kind of loosen it. You push down, right? Yeah, push down, it loosens it. And then you just flip the little guy up like that, and that's it. Super easy. Give ourselves a little slack like that. Same thing here. Just flip that up, comes out, it's rubberized, at least on that piece. You know, the whole thing's rubberized. That's nice. You don't have to worry about banging into your vehicle. And then I just have this looped through so that doesn't fly away. Oh my gosh, I love how perfect life is now. Well, let's wrap it up. So whoa, yeah, you just push that. That is nice. Here, I should probably not do that where it rubs against the wood. Do this again. Should probably do this differently. Yeah, there. So nice. Yeah, for the most part it worked. A little crimpy there. I'll fix that. There we go. Nope. Just tuck them right back in here. I'm keeping them out of the bag. The bag's still down there to kind of help with insulation, but out of the bag they actually lay in there nicer, and then that is a much tighter fit. So you can see there, watch. Boom. Nice. Here you can see as I slide the wood, it's going across these rubber protection pieces and not grooving into the truck. It's a truck, right? It's meant to be used, but it is nice to know that it's not getting more damage than it needs to be. And personally, I'm actually happy it's not a super extended truck bed. I know the Cybertruck's longer, but I like the fact that my wife's comfortable driving this thing. It does not feel like a huge truck. And look, that 8-footer just extends out another foot. Totally reasonable. So there we go. I think I'm winded. That's scary. To show you real quick, the 2x4s, I'm going to throw in one more rack for storage bins. And this is the fence that I'm doing. I'm flipping basically the chain link fence to flipping it to wood, and there are brackets and stuff to do that. I'll show you a video on that later. Really like the way it turned out, and I have a little key entry. I'm gonna fix this piece of wood, don't worry about it. This will be closed, but you key in the code and it unlocks. And yeah, very happy the way that's coming together. And that's a total of like 6 feet. Before it was a 5-foot fence. So you can actually see it right there.
I was going to show you, I finished the fence and then inside I finished the racking, but this cat is winning. The truck worked perfectly. If you have any questions, let me know. The ratchets worked really well. All the links are in the descriptions on the stuff that I'm using. So go ahead and use that. And then if you are looking to get a Rivian, use the code as well. Y'all have a great week and we'll talk to you soon. Well, I'll do more updates. Ciao.